Coronavirus, the socialist and capitalist response. The coronavirus pandemic reveals two very different government-controlled strategies, one capitalist, one socialist. Socialist systems are closed. Their requisite variety or control strategy has several key assumptions. These are: liberty is an illusion, people are cogs in the nation state. Number two, knowledge is for those in power who know more than the people. 3. Democracy, a luxury, expensive and counterproductive. 4. Planning, centralized planning solves a country's future problems. 5. Economy is a machine that can be manipulated at will. 6. Control, there are no limits to governmental actions. And 7. Transparency, citizens must be transparent. Government is not. A capitalist system is open. Here are the assumptions that become rules. Liberty? Well, personal liberty is the underlying governing principle. Knowledge is distributed in society and shared. Number 3. Democracy. People elect public officials in open elections. 4. Planning is decentralized and private planning is important. 5. The economy is a self-organizing system built on risks and rewards. 6. Control. The government dial is set at a minimum. 7. Transparency. Government is transparent. People enjoy privacy. If you study both lists side by side, it is not hard to tell that these two systems are almost perfect opposites. Under what criteria? Someone may ask. Well, they're opposite from the point of view of control theory as espoused by Asby's law of requisite variety. Here we see the basic equation where people control the environment with help of their government. Variety is the technical definition of complexity, and we see that perturbance variety flows from left to right and is filtered. Control variety flows from right to left and is amplified. The goal is to create a balance. Every perturbation from the environment is annulled. To deal with environmental challenges, in this case the coronavirus pandemic, the Chinese socialist system cancels the people's variety and overrides them with total control in an effort to ensure success. We can say that Chinese government does not change much in an emergency. They just get tougher. It is the same control structure. The capitalist system reacts to the coronavirus challenge by inviting people to self-control. In addition, the US government uses corporations and empowers them to confront the coronavirus. As things worsen, the governmental power grows, as in the War Powers Act, and it ends acting as some would call a socialist fashion. What conclusions can we draw using the viable system model? Number 1. The capitalist system of government is much closer to following the rules of viability. It respects maximum autonomy of the people during normal times, and then it imposes much more centralized control when the whole system is threatened. Number two, the socialist system is always autocratic. China may appear to be more efficient in their economy, but only because it has had the benefit of acquiring Western technology by every means possible. Number three, the closed socialist system, however, has shown a costly flaw. It was unable to be open about the coronavirus and warn the rest of the planet in time to stop a global pandemic with incalculable losses. Number four, socialist regimes operate all the time as if they had a big crisis on hand. To that effect, people are trained to obey, and most of them do. Those who tried to warn everybody about the virus contagion were quieted and severely punished. Number five, regardless of how efficient a socialist regime seems to be, if it operates under a lack of openness and transparency, then it has a built-in non-viable feature which risks catastrophic failures. Thank you for watching.